Hello, I'm Susan. I'm the Young Adult Librarian here at the Camarillo Public Library. And since you guys are going to be seeing all these really cool things, I thought it would be fun for the library to contribute, since Easter is coming up on Sunday, with some cute crafts that you guys can do at home with things you can find around your house. One of them is a cute little paper bunny plate. And the other one is this cute little bunny that you can use made out of recycled materials. So the first one is you can get a paper plate. It can be one like this. It can be any kind of paper plate. It can even be a styrofoam one because you're not really going to do too much manipulation with this. And in order to do the face, you can use pretty much anything you have around the house. You can use a pen, a marker, a crayon, any number of things. And for the eyes on mine, I used buttons, which you can use. You can also use pom-poms. You can use anything that you can find around the house that your parents are willing to let you put onto your craft. So, or if you don't want to use anything, you can just draw on your eyes. So we're going to do a little bit of eyes here, and then we're going to do a little bit here. And there we got our face. So in order to do the ears, you're going to want to get a piece of paper. It could be any kind of paper, printer paper, line paper, whatever kind of paper you want to use. And so what you're going to want to do is kind of trace out the shape of an ear. And if you need help, you can have your parents help you, so that you make sure that the ears are the exact same size. What I recommend doing is folding your paper. So then when you get your scissors, and if you don't have any safety scissors, then you would definitely want your parents to cut this out for you. And now we've got two ears that are the exact same shape. Before you put them on to your bunny, you may want to decorate them. So that's when you can get your colors out and you can color the ears however you want. I like to have them traditional, so I just did the little pink part that you normally see on bunny ears. And then the final step for our little friend is you're going to either get some glue. It can be white glue, it can be a glue stick, or you can just use tape if you don't have any glue in the house. And if you're using glue, you're going to want to put it down behind the plate like so, and you're going to want to hold it there for a little bit. If you're using tape, you don't have to do that. You just have to put down the ear onto the plate and then put the tape down. It's as easy as that. And then you're going to want to do that to the same thing on the other side and glue it on. And there you have a simple paper plate bunny. You can do this with pretty much any animal that you want. Just you can even do it with a chick. You wouldn't do ears for the chick, you just do the face. You can decorate your plate however you want. You can even decorate the other side, and then it's a cool little decoration. You can even put it on the fridge. Now, for our second craft, how I used this, we all know we have plenty of toilet paper. Hopefully you guys are being able to get out there and safely and be able to find some toilet paper. And once you do, after your roll is done, you will have the tube. As you can see, I already cut this one up. But in order to do this, Again, you're gonna want your parents to help you cut this because the safety scissors don't cut the tubes very well. So what we want to do is cut it, and you can tell your parents what size you want your bunny to be. If you want to have a family of bunnies, which I'll put in the picture of the instructions, then you can use toilet paper rolls for the kids, and you can have little teenager bunnies with the towel roll. And if you want to have parent bunnies, you can get the paper towel rolls, and then you can make bunnies that way. So in order to decorate this, you can do it many ways. If you have paint at home, you can paint it, or you can decorate it with crayons, colored pencils, or just good old markers. And there's no right or wrong way to decorate a bunny. Let's see, so I'm not gonna do the whole thing because that'll take a little bit of time, but actually, let's do this. Just so you can see it decorates on pretty well onto the tube. Okie dokie. And so for this one's face, I pretty much just drew it on, but the same thing goes as it did for the paper plate. You can glue on things if you wanted to, or you can just draw the face, which is what I did. So let's see. We're gonna draw it with blue eyes. And then we're gonna give it a little pink nose. And then we're gonna use the black marker so that it has a cute little smile. Oh yeah, we can't forget the bunny whiskers. It's a happy little bunny. If you want to go one step further, if you have pom-poms, you can glue a pom-pom on the back for the tail, or you can just draw one on. Now you still have some paper left on your piece of paper that we used for our first craft. So for that, you can draw slightly smaller bunny ears. And then again, we're going to want to cut them out. I did it on the crease, so then you're going to just cut them at the crease apart. You don't have to do it at the crease if you don't want to. And then again, before you glue them on, it's going to be easier if you decorate them firsthand. So I'm going to decorate mine with the traditional pink, but like I said, no right or wrong way. You can decorate your ears however you want. You don't even have to decorate your ears if you don't want to. And then, again, you can glue them on, you can tape them on, you can do however you want to with whatever supplies you have at home. And then if you glue it, you're going to want to hold it for a little bit so that it stays. The good thing about using lighter paper, if you have it, is that it sticks well. If you have thicker paper, then you're going to want to hold it a little bit longer and maybe use a teensy bit more glue than you would with lighter paper. And there we have it. We have two happy little bunnies. These are the ones that I made with you guys. And these are the ones that I made ahead of time. And there you have it. So there are plenty of crafts that you can do from home. If you just Google crafts that you can do with everyday household items. That's how I found these crafts. So you can find tons more crafts having to do with things that you can find around the house. There's ones with cupcake liners. There's a tons of different things that you can do to keep busy so that you're staying active and doing a lot of fun things, but also giving your eyes a little bit of break so you're not always staring at the computer screen. So you have to see a little bit of time of a break, and then you can go right back on and do your fun things, your school things, all those different things. So we are going to have the instructions included that the Pleasant Valley Recs and Park District is going to provide for you, and it's going to have a picture on the instructions as well. You can also follow along with this video as many times as you need to. And thank you for watching, and hopefully everyone stays safe out there, and we can't wait to see you all again whenever the library reopens. Keep an eye on our website at camarolibrary.org, and we will post whenever our library is deciding to open on our social media as well. So, bye!